Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change match time in eFootball. First, open the eFootball app in your mobile device. Allow it to access your Google account. Wait for it to load. Once you're in, select Classic Mode to have a match. Tap on Proceed. Now tap on Continue. After that, you need to select the team. Here, select the English League or whatever team you want. After that, you need to select Liverpool R. Tap on Next to continue. Again, select Next. Now tap on OK. After that, you need to tap on Continue. Then keep tapping on OK for all these taps. After that, you'll see Game Details. Now tap on Match. Select the match you want to play. I'm selecting a trial match. Then select your zone. Now select your home team. Tap on Next. Here on your left side, you can see a setting icon. Tap on it. Then tap on the first option. You'll see the option of match time. From here, you can change your match time. Select whatever time you want to choose for your match. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.